What's going on, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, it's a red day recap trading JD, PDD, XPEV and Apple. Actually, I was better off to really don't trade this morning since I had a really bad night. But again, here I am, learning point. Let's starting with the SPY. The SPY in the morning open up and started to move higher, then corrected towards VWAP and below VWAP, and we've been in this kind of choppiness since essentially after the first half hour, and probably after the first half hour I was better off to don't trade anymore anyway. So JD was my first couple of trades. Actually, I did the trade JD a couple of times this morning. Had the first trade at waited for the stock to go up, and then did see a clear rejection here at pre-market high and the previous day close. Shorted the 59.67 area, took some of at 59.10 over here, and then essentially took the rest of the shares off at break even trade. I wanted to short again the stock, since it seemed to me that that time he had done his movement higher. So I did short again at 59.23, but then I reduced the shares since it was moving higher, and again took a loss on the second trade essentially. And at the last trade in JD was at 59.17, shorting more or less the this area, and riding down essentially riding down until the 58 55 area, 58-55 area, where I took everything off. Apple, it's been a roller coaster. Probably I have been a bit stubborn with it as well. But I was looking first, of course, to go down, and then to go up as the SPY was moving. And look at this. So the SPY just said a big drop here, and look what Apple is doing. So essentially what I was doing, first I bought with the 174.70, which was the previous day close, hoping for the continuation after the this pullback. So I bought on this candle, but the SPY, of course, didn't help. Was taken out on this one. I then short the 173.80 under essentially the pullback, under the pullback, which didn't start, and didn't had a follow through actually. And look at how the stock was essentially bought heavily at the VWAP over here. Reduce the shares. I took out the shares. Oh, sorry. I shorted the 173.80, added at 173.70 for a follow through, which didn't happen. Reduced shares at 173.70 to reduce my risk, and took everything off at break of the 174 essentially, 174 area. Again, Apple was trying to short again the 173.80 and added again, but again I was second out. And once more, Apple on this, once I saw the SPY, essentially when I saw the SPY coming up, after these rejections and it was starting to come up here, I thought that we had done with the movement down and we were going to start to come up, which essentially didn't happen in that time. So I I took another loss on Apple. So again, I was probably a bit stubborn on Apple. After the second red trade in Apple, I probably was better off to take the stock out of my site. XPEV. XPEV, I shorted the XPEV under the 2660. The stock was weak this morning. Took standing off at 2635, and then essentially once I saw that it was pulling back towards my entry point, I took everything out. And PDD was my last trade. Stock was weak, but I was looking for a reversal here again because of the SPY was coming up, and along the 4220 area, and essentially I was second out. On this candle. Well, nothing we can do. Essentially, another red day in the book with the, of course, learning points. But nevertheless, we will be here tomorrow again and trading the market again. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you to the next trade. Thank you.